Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be comparing the specs of the Oukitel WP27 with the Oukitel WP17. These two rugged devices are very similar. They also look alike, very similar design, except for the fact that the Oukitel WP27 has another color option that looks different from the Oukitel WP17, but the design of both devices are very similar. The specs of both devices are also very similar too, but some of the specs of the Oukitel WP27 is definitely better than that of the Oukitel WP17. So that's why in this video we're going to be comparing the specs of the two devices to point out the differences and similarities. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dig in. So as you can see, the WP27 is an upgrade. It is much more better than the Oukitel WP17, and it is also much more powerful than the Oukitel WP17. It is powered by the Helio G99, while the WP17 is powered by the Helio G95. The G99 is a much more faster and much more efficient processor. It is also built on a 6nm process, while the G95 is built on a 12nm process. And also the WP27 has a much more bigger RAM. The cameras on both devices are the same. The battery has been slightly improved on the Oukitel. The WP27 has been slightly increased. So these are the differences and similarities between the Oukitel WP27 and the WP17. I'd like to hear your thoughts about these two rugged phones. Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.